Go ahead. He has finished.
State committee, my fellow nominees. My name is Right Honorable Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, a three-time member of the House of Representatives, member of the 5th Assembly, 6th Assembly, and the 7th Assembly, and then a two-time governor of Enugu State.
You're more than qualified. Take your bow and go.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Next.
Chairman, my name is Mahmoud Yakubu, former Executive Secretary, Tertiary Education Trust Fund, TED Fund, and former Chairman INEC.
Next.
Distinguished Senate Leader, Senator Opeyemi Bamidele, the Distinguished Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, Senator Sani Bello, the Distinguished Deputy Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, distinguished members of the Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, and distinguished senators from my state, Senator Ned Nwoko, Senator Joel Onowapo, and Senator Ede Dafinone, the Special Advisor to the President on Senate Matters, Senator Bashir Lado, CON. My name is Reno Mokri. I was a Special Assistant to the President on New Media. I'm an author, and I'm glad to be here. Thank you for having me.
You take a bow individually. Okay.
Distinguished senators here present, good afternoon. My name is Alhaji Abubakar Sanusi. I am a businessman. I'm from the private sector. I'm a philanthropist, a nation builder for over 3 decades, with experience in leading transformative national and international projects. I'm the managing director of Gamji Group of Companies. I have been a major player in community development, philanthropy, and I have played major role in our party, the APC, as the former director of protocol and event.
I especially recognize my senators, distinguished Senator Niek and Bass.
No long introductions. Just
Senator Ita Enang. I was a member of the State House of Assembly. I served in this National Assembly for 12 years in the House of Representatives.
You're more than qualified. Take your bow and go.
Thank you very much. And I was advisor to the President of the National Assembly. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Other distinguished members of this committee, the Senate Presidential Advisor on Senate Matters, Senator Lado, retired Lieutenant General Abdurrahman Bello Dambazau, a former Chief of Army Staff and former Minister of Interior. Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon, distinguished senators. My name is Fatima Florence Ajimobi, wife of late Senator Abiola Ajimobi from Oyo State. I appear before.
Finish. We all know you. Finish.
Thank you. Congratulations, ma'am.
Distinguished colleagues.
Distinguished chairman of this committee, distinguished senators.
Skip protocols. Just mention. Introduce yourself.
My name is Chioma Priscilla Ohakim MNI, former First Lady Imo State, a lawyer by training. I am very pleased to be in your midst. I thank Mr. President for this nomination. I have been able to do...
Okay, that's fine. Next.
Chairman of this honorable committee, Chairman, the Vice Chairman, distinguished, our own Senate...
Skip protocol.
Senate Majority Leader, own.
Go straight to skip protocol. Go straight to your. Don't be nervous. Just go straight to your. I can see you're nervous. Just go straight to your introduction.
About the former governor of Ekiti State. Yes. My name is Erelu Angela Ayodele Adebayo. Thank you.
Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, distinguished Deputy Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, distinguished members of the Committee on Foreign Affairs, other senators here present, the Special Advisor to the President on Senate Matters, Senator Bashir Muhammad Lado, CON. My name is Dr. Akubu N. Gambo from Plateau State. I was Commissioner for Water Resources and Agri in Plateau, Commissioner for Education in Plateau. At the national level, I was a participant of the 2005 Political Reform Conference on the same committee with my elder brother, Senator Governor Adams Shomole. And my last posting was as Deputy Executive Secretary in Quebec. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
As the distinguished leader of the Senate, distinguished Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, distinguished members of the Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, my distinguished Senator, Senator Abdul Nengi, yes, sir. There's the Special Advisor to the President on Senate Matters, Senator Bashir Lado. I'm Ambassador Mahmoud Leila Mohammed.
Ambassador.
Distinguished. Thank you, Excellent.
What is funny?
Yeah, I'm Ambassador Mahmoud Lele. I joined the Foreign Service in 2001. So it's a honor and privilege for me to be nominated by Mr. President to be here before the Honorable Committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time and attention to this matter. I also want to congratulate our nominees. Distinguished Chairman, standing before us or sitting before us this afternoon are people who, by the grace of God, had the privilege of serving our country in the capacity of governors, deputy governors, and first ladies of the federating units or subnationals of our country. Let me explain, for the purpose of the general understanding of the Nigerian public, the people that we asked to take a bow and go were people who had the privilege of serving as elected members of the National Assembly. And the reason why that is done, not only in Nigeria, but all over the world, is the fact that we do not, our rules will not allow us to waste the precious time of the public and of the media in trying to screen them all over again, because the National Assembly has their records. They have been here in different capacities, either in the Senate or in the House of Representatives, and when they come for confirmation hearings like this, we rely on their public record. And for the people who are also seated before us, we are not extending the take a bow and go privilege to them because they were not members of the National Assembly. However, the chairman had asked the secretariat if there was a petition against any one of them, and the answer we got was that there was no petition. And I just want to say that, to the glory of God, these are very eminent Nigerians who we know we do well representing this country. And distinguished colleagues, if it is your view, that they deserve for us to rely more on the records that have been submitted to us in respect of each of them. Each of them submitted his or her curriculum vitae. We also relied on the report, the security report from the DSS, from the police, and other relevant security agencies. And to the extent that we have a clean bill of record in respect of all of them, and given their background, I also would like to move, and the chairman will put the question appropriately. I would like to move as the leader of the Senate that we allow them to take their leave. And the minority leader is also here to second my motion.
So, Lady Oyewumi, representing Osun West Central District of Osun State, I hereby second the motion moved by Senate leader that nominees seated before us to take bow and go. As a second.
Committee on Foreign Affairs, distinguished members of the Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs. Okay.
Yes, go ahead. No, yes, no protocols, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, my name is Ambassador Joseph John Gargadi.
Ambassador. You said ambassador? Just go ahead.
My name is Ambassador Joseph John Gargadi from Plateau State. I have served in different missions of our country, Russian Federation, Atlanta, Georgia, then Vietnam, Republic of Vietnam. So I'm here to face distinguished chairman for this screening, sir.
Next.
Distinguished chairman of this committee, distinguished members, very distinguished senators. My name is OCJ Okocha. If I mention what the names stand for, those initials you may not know, but full name, Onweze Chukujinka Joe Okocha. I'm a former president of the Nigerian Bar Association. I'm a senior advocate of Nigeria. I was called to the bar in 1978. I'm a former chairman of the Body of Benchers. I'm a former chairman of the Council of Legal Education. I'm practicing law, doing the charge and bail business in Port Harcourt. I thank you all for your audience.
Next. Next.
The distinguished chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, the distinguished chairman, the distinguished deputy chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs.
Leave protocol.
My name is Ambassador Magaji Umar. I joined the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in 2001. I served in various missions such as Cote d'Ivoire, Gambia, Permanent Mission of Nigeria to the United Nations, Islamic Republic of Iran. Thank you. I'm from Jigawa.
Distinguished colleague, former minister, yes. Where is the former minister? Former minister, where is he? Okay. He's here.
Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs.
Sit down.
Distinguished Deputy Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs. My name is Barrister Nkechi Linda Ufochukwu. I'm representing Anambra. I was the former SA legal to Chief Uchennaji, the former Minister for Innovation, Science and Technology.
What is your...
I am a lawyer of 17 years post-call.
We'll take on these 5 distinguished colleagues.
I think listening to Okocha, even as a worker's leader, the gentleman he qualified in his own right to be described as an elder statesman. Because learned, sick as he is, he invited people like us in khaki to rub minds with very learned community. He has such a broad mind that I think those are the kind of qualities we need, that when he stands before a foreign authority, they cannot but listen. I believe he has what it takes to carry the Nigeria flag in any part of the world. The other gentleman who mentioned my name, obviously, mentioned my name, it means
he knows you.
Oh.
Senator Ndume, then
nominees before us are career ambassadors and ambassadors before, and also the last among the nominees, Reno, is somebody that I personally know for the past 25 years, can vouch for his character. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, I again want to move that these nominees take a bow and go. I so move.
Until you are called, you cannot shut me down.
No, he's not talking to you. He wasn't talking to you.
Let the chairman preside.
He wasn't talking to you. 1 minute.
These are people.
Okay, go ahead.
There's a motion on ground. You can either defeat the motion or let it survive. But all right. So how come you have other people have spoken?
Senator Adams, he wasn't. Go ahead.
I have the authority of the chairman.
Please go ahead.
Chairman, you cannot exercise power that you don't have.
You don't exercise.
Chairman, I want to thank you, Senate leader, and my colleagues.
Look how you ridicule the Senate.
I cannot be intimidated by people who go here and there. After all, we see people on television questioning this list.
Please ask
Mr. Chairman, sir.
The procedure is that if there is a motion on ground, it should be seconded. If it is not seconded, it's dead.
It's dead. So allow me to continue. Mr. Chairman, you have allowed me. Please protect me.
Senator Adams, conclude. Your time is going. Conclude.
All right. Mr. Chairman, I think I needed to speak on this in the public interest. With particular reference to the nominee, Reno. Because we cannot pretend we have not had stories.
We can't work on stories.
For me.
There is no petition before the
for me.
Look, this is
for me.
You should not return the Senate. Don't Allah can commit the Senate. Senate is not a job. Senate.
The power of example that he is a pragmatist. He is not detained by old feelings. You may have doubt, suspicion about anyone until you have the opportunity to so perform. Indeed, you don't know anyone until you give him the driver's, you hand over to him the steering of a vehicle. This young man has shown that where he sees a compelling evidence in the interest of the Nigerian nation, he will not be ashamed to say that I was wrong in my assumption. From what I have seen, this man is working and he deserves the support of all those who want progressive governance. The second side of the argument is that we have a president. We have a president who has shown that by the power of example, the minimum requirement of leadership, and here I will proudly say I was a governor, which is a head of a subnational government. And so when I talk, those who are not be governors should listen.
Governors come to Senate.
You have to have
governors. You struggle to.
Your Excellency, you have to have that large heart.
Become a senator.
You have to have, for me, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has showed a real quality that the fact that you criticize me during the election, the fact that you abused me at what time was
Senator Adams, you made your point very clear. There is a motion. Please, Senator Adams, you made your point clear. There is a motion in place. Any seconder?
Okay. Come on, let me conclude. The president has showed large heart. And he deserves to be commended because he's now a president of all Nigerians.
We commend Mr. President. We commend Mr. President. Joel,
Colleagues, distinguished colleagues, my name once again in favor.
Senator Ndime, are you wait. Okay, Senator Ndime, are you opposed to Omekri's nomination?
No.
Senator Shomon, are you opposed to the nomination?
I have seconded it over and over 100%.
So you're on the same page.
You're on the same page.
Put the question.
Discussion colleagues, a motion has been moved and seconded. Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Take a